Now, next up, actually, I have a little bit of footage of this model. This clip came out prior to their announcement showcasing the interior of the vehicle. And this video clip was posted also on Electric. And at the time, they were saying Tesla Model S Palladium, which was supposed to be the next Plaid version. But now they just say Plaid Plus. They don't really say the ludicrous stuff anymore. The branding has shifted around. Now, the car here is not exactly zooming, which kind of bothered some people. In fact, people in the comments said, once I put it to 2x speed, then it seemed exciting. So maybe you want to put it to 2x speed, Will. But this is just a friendly little test drive over here of the new model. You can see as you spot the trim, and I think it might be the silver model. So I might have to get the silver model because that looks good as well. And it looks ready to go. And maybe this was the final test drive in public on the track there in Fremont prior to making it live on the site. And I guess this is a good sign for this thing being sooner than later. But some people wanted to be moving a little faster around the track.